silent viewers. Thank you so much sa lahat. Love me with all your heart. That's all I want, love. Love me with all of your heart, for that's our love. Just promise with it that you treat me or your